Hey there, tech wizards and code conjurers. Welcome back to another bite-sized, brain-expanding video. Today, I'm diving into the wild world of OAuth 2.0 for Node.js Microservices. And trust me, it's easier than debugging a null pointer. First up, let's meet our main cast of characters in this auth drama. Picture them as the stars of a superhero movie. We have, that's you, the end user. You're the one who has the power to grant access to your precious data, like your Google Drive files or your Facebook profile. Next, we have, think of this as the app or website that wants to access your data. It's like that friend who always asks to borrow your car. Then there's, this is the gatekeeper. It checks who you are and hands out the golden tickets, aka access tokens. Finally, this guy holds all the goodies, your protected resources. Whenever someone wants to get to your stuff, they have to go through the resource server. All right, let's break down these roles in action with the most popular OAuth flow. Step 1. The end user, that's you, wants an app to do something like accessing photos in your Google Drive. You click Allow. Step 2. The app, aka the client, goes, "Hey, authorization server, can I get permission to access these photos?" Step 3. The authorization server responds with a browser redirect, sending you to an authorization page. Step 4. You see a pop-up asking for your username and password. You fill it in and hit Yes. Assuming all goes well, the authorization server gives the app an authorization code. Step 6. The app then exchanges that code for an access token. This access token is like a VIP pass. Step 9. The app now talks to the resource server, flashing the access token to get the photos. Step 10. The resource server checks with the authorization server to make sure the token is legit. Step 11. Assuming it's all good, the resource server finally hands over the photos. Phew, that's the authorization code grant. Now let's talk about a simpler flow, the implicit grant. Here, the app gets the access token straight from the authorization server. No need for an authorization code. It's quicker, but a tad less secure. And if you're wondering about, here the app directly asks you for your username and password. Only use this if you really trust the app. Lastly, is for when the client wants to access its own resources, no end user involved. Remember, picking the right auth flow is like choosing the right spell for a magic trick. Each has its own use case. That's a wrap, folks. Hopefully, Auth 2.0 feels less like a monster under your bed and more like a friendly coding companion. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more coding adventures. Until next time, keep those code spells polished and your APIs secure.